Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the big updates from Yahoo in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So Yahoo Mail is getting a big update in the year 2025. That is, a new AI powered inbox is here to make email easier and smarter. So the first look of this particular thing looks something like this. So first there will be a priority inbox. So this is the new tab that will automatically highlights your most important emails, so there is no scrolling through hundreds of messages. So once you open the email, the AI generated summaries will break it down into simple bullet points for you, so there is no need for the long emails. So Yahoo Mail tells you the key points and even suggests action that you can take, like replying or scheduling an event. Now if we talk about the action, Yahoo Mail will now have the quick actions tab as well. So right next to inbox, you will be able to find that option, and with the help of that you will be able to add the events to your calendar, track packages, or even schedule your emails. For better organization, there will be a new start view panel that will keep all of your important emails and your tasks all in one place. Now you will also be able to link your other email accounts like Gmail, Outlook to your Yahoo account, and you will be able to manage everything just from one inbox. So if you want to go ad free while using Yahoo, you can use Yahoo Mail Plus, which is a premium feature for extra security and customizable option. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.